So for top tensions, I know we have a lot of questions about this. Thread path, we've already discussed about thread path. And the question is how do you determine whether or not you have good tension on your top end versus your bobbin? We have a test that we showcase on our YouTube videos for our setup sequence. This is called the H test. What you're looking for is to make sure that the satin is nice and tight on the top end. And then what you're looking for on the back end is to make sure that you can see bobbin. So what you're looking for on this H test specifically is that you have 1/3 of the column on the left side that is showing your top thread, 1/3 in the middle showing your bobbin thread, and 1/3 on the outside showing your top thread again. If you need that, we do have the DST file. Just email or call us in and we can send that over to you. First thing to note that if you're not seeing any of your bobbin thread on here, it could be because your bobbin tension is too tight. 8 out of 10 times whenever you're looking at a tension issue, it's going to be in your bobbin case. So always adjust your bobbin case first, because this is going to be your most consistent cause of tension issues.